A lot of contractors will call and say, do you know how much this saved me on my past job?
And most times when you call customer support, you're desperately hoping that someone's on the other end of the phone to help you.
I think especially because of our unique product, how it's used in the field, you need that live presence there. Even when you don't need it, just it's reassuring knowing it's there. So I think that's something that really matters to our customers.
They're out there in the front lines helping people. I'm getting a chance to make their life easier with a simple app.
So understanding their concerns and showing them that it's easy to use once they jump in really makes a difference.
Those unsung heroes, it's the people who are get out of bed every morning and their primary focus is to care about our customers.
To have something that validates the work that we do and really definitively says, everything you've done up until this point has resulted in this level of recognition, I think would do wonders for the team.